Presenting goqii Smart Vital, a device that enables you to keep a check on your health vitals. One finger tap on Smart Vital screen and monitor your blood oxygen levels, body temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, step counts, and get active with 18 exercise modes. Unlock your life and keep a watch on your health. goqii Smart Vital. Get yours today.
And a few seconds to measure your blood pressure. Keep a watch, goqii Smart Vital. And a few seconds to measure your oxygen levels. Keep a watch, goqii Smart Vital. And a few seconds to check your temperature. Keep a watch, goqii Smart Vital.
Vital, an innovative and smart device that helps keep a watch on your health vitals. This device can monitor your blood oxygen levels, body temperature, heart rate and blood pressure among a host of other features to assist in the early detection of infectious diseases. What's more, goqii Smart Vital's access to an online health monitoring system enables employers to assess the health and well-being of their workforce and ensure safety at their workplace.